Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Krnl Executor Mobile, the latest update on your iPhone or iPad. No jailbreak, no computer needed with a direct install from Applej official website. Make sure you watch this video until the end, so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, download Krnl Executor IPA file, the latest update. I will insert the link download on description. Once Krnl Executor IPA file downloaded, next step, we will make the direct install for your iDevice. Grab your iPhone or iPad, open Safari, and go to applej.xyz. Click Applej DNS button to download the profile config. Click Allow, then install the profile by going to Settings. Hit Profile downloaded, then click Install. After that, open Applej app from your home screen. Click IP Installer tab on this section, and you'll redirect it to Applej installer page. Upload Krnl Executor that you downloaded earlier. Then select the certificate on the server to install your Krnl Executor. I recommend using the certificate at the top first, or you can try them one by one. After that, click the Sign IPA button. The website will automatically create a direct install Krnl Executor for you. Wait a few moments until it is successfully uploaded. Once uploaded, click the Install IPA button and a pop-up will appear with the direct install link for the Krnl Executor. Wait until the Krnl Executor is installed on your device. Before opening Krnl, you need to trust the developer certificate. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management, then trust Krnl Executor app. Once trusted, go back to your home screen and open Krnl Executor Mobile. Now, you'll have the latest version ready to inject scripts directly into your Roblox mobile game. And that's it, you're all set. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and drop a comment if you have any issues with the install. Enjoy your new Krnl Executor, and I'll see you in the next video.